What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day today. So basically in this video what we're going to talk about is how you guys can avoid spending thousands of dollars on a product that is patented or that you can't sell on Amazon. Um, I remember when I was doing product research about I'd say 9 to 10 months ago before I was going to invest in my first product, and I honestly was doing all this research and contacting suppliers and stuff, and I realized that the product that I was looking into doing was actually patented. Um, some people actually get into these products and they actually do well. However, it's only a matter of time until Amazon catches you, or that patent catches up to you, and you wind up losing all your inventory, and basically your listing gets kicked off of Amazon. So you guys don't want that. That's not a good investment. You guys remember, you want to invest into Amazon or any type of business for the long term, and of course you want to stay within your legal bounds when it comes to getting these products. So the best way that you can actually figure out if a product is patented is go to Google Patents. All you have to do is type in here just like that and click here, and then you just type in the keywords to the product that you're interested in. Make sure you do this every single time you find a product before you even contact suppliers and all this other stuff, because you got to remember suppliers don't really, they don't have the same laws and regulations that United States does. These patents only are for I think US products. So for an example, if I go on Amazon and type in, I'm sure you guys have probably seen this product before on the web app, or you just browsing on Amazon. It's the travel tray. Yeah, if you go in here, there's tons of people with low reviews, and these people have low reviews because a lot of people have been kicked off of Amazon or gotten their listing shut down because of the fact that this product is patented, and not people just don't realize that, or people don't care, and that's why you see so many low reviews on here, is because everyone that got on it in the past has just been kicked off. So if you run the numbers here, I'm sure it'll be good. Yeah, if you look at this, people are making a decent amount of money, not too much, and that's just because it's patented, guys. This product, it looks like it's something cool to get into, as it makes it's okay amount of revenue, not that much, but if you were to look at this for someone that is trying to get into Amazon FBA for a product that's not doing that much, and you saw these reviews, you're like, oh, I can get into this. Not much competition, all that other stuff. But guys, you can't do that. This is a patented product. A lot of these people in here, I remember this person right here when they first started. Um, this person is going to eventually get kicked off. But yeah, guys, definitely don't invest into these type of products. These are patented. Another thing is the fidget spinners too. I was tempted to do fidget spinners as well, but no, guys, don't do that either, because apparently what happened is a lot of people, uh, of course, they made money on the start for it at the start, but every single time they get kicked off their listing because of the fact that it's patented. Eventually it will catch up to you. This is just a fad. That was just a trend. Don't get into trend as well. That's another bad thing. So if you go into here and search in travel tray, I'll show you guys. I think that's how you spell it. I think. Let me see. Wait, that's not the right one. It's on here somewhere. I don't know. Okay, but it is patented, guys. I've looked at it before multiple times. Of course, it's not going to show up now, but this is a patented product. You guys can go look into it for yourself if you want. But I don't know. Maybe they remove the patent for it or something like that. Which I don't know how if that works or if you can even do that. But maybe they did. You guys can go look at that for yourself. I'm not going to spend time trying to find it. So so yeah, that's another way to save money going into Amazon FBA. And if you guys, a lot of people they don't take that seriously. So if you are listening to this video and watching it, you guys will have a head start on all of them when it comes to investing money into their product or their business on Amazon FBA. A lot of people that they don't listen to that, they just see the money for it and they're just like, oh, I can make this amount of money, you know, because not that many people are getting to this product just because it's patented. And some people they don't know that it's patented and they can still get into it. But it's just the best. The best thing to do is to not go into this ignorant. Don't go into this um because there are a lot of legal things that you guys have to understand too. Another thing too is hijackers on your listing. So hijackers are basically people that jump onto your listing. Here I'll give you guys an example. So if we go back to microwave cover, then we scroll down. We go here. Yeah, if we go over here and look, see this parentheses right here actually means people that are trying to sell this exact same product that claim they can sell the exact same product on this listing. So they basically hop on this listing and start stealing your sales. If that happens, make sure to contact Amazon. Make sure you tell them, that these people are on your listing because people cannot do that. Of course, if you have your own label on your own product or if your product is bundled, of course they can't jump on your listing in that case because it is illegal, guys. So don't if you do get your listing up there and start selling really well, and if anyone hops on your listing, make sure you contact Amazon because some people will do that. I've seen numerous cases where that does happen, especially for products that are doing really, really well. Um, but yeah, let's see. But yeah, guys, just make sure you check out Google Patents. It's very important that you guys do that. Um, of course, don't get into products that are trending, or you don't get into products that are seasonal, like Easter eggs. I recently had a supplier that contacted me about if I wanted to buy Easter eggs for selling on Amazon. That is not a good idea because you'll sell good probably for like what 2 months, and then you'll be done. And of course, you might have some money from that to invest into other products, but it's not worth the risk taking. You want to be able to sell products um, that are something that you can sell on a year-round basis that people need on the daily. So yeah, guys, that's basically it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys got some value out of this. I am investing into my next product soon. Um, I'm trying to figure out if I should wait till after the Chinese holiday or just get my product in and then just wait and save up. But we'll see, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure you leave a like down below. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.